Today, I am reviewing the genuine AirDoctor AD3000/3500 1-year replacement filter pack. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you invest in a higher-end air purifier, there is often a temptation to look for cheaper third-party filters to save a few dollars. I've tried that route with other machines in the past, and it almost always ends in frustration. You end up with filters that do not seal correctly, airflow that feels weaker, or construction that just does not hold up. With the AirDoctor system, sticking to the genuine filters is not just about brand loyalty. It is about ensuring that the seal, which is arguably the most important part of the purification process, actually functions as designed. This pack gives you exactly what you need for a full year of operation, consisting of one UltraHEPA filter and 2 of the carbon VOC filters that come with the pre-filters already attached. Starting with the pre-filter, this is your first line of defense. It sits right at the intake, catching the heavy stuff like pet hair, lint, and large dust bunnies. The smart move here, and one that the manual and the manufacturers emphasize, is to vacuum this pre-filter once a month. It takes maybe 60 seconds, but it significantly prevents your more expensive internal filters from getting choked up prematurely. If you have pets or live in a dusty environment, this step is non-negotiable if you want to get the most out of your purchase. Do not try to wash these filters with water, as that can compromise the material. Just a quick pass with a vacuum brush attachment is enough to clear the buildup. The heart of the system is the UltraHEPA filter, and this is what you are really paying for. It is rated to capture 99.99% of particles down to 0.003 microns, which is significantly smaller than the standard HEPA threshold. In practical terms, that means it is grabbing the fine particulate matter that standard filters might miss, such as smoke, fine pollen, and the smaller dander that can really irritate sensitive sinuses. The fact that these are manufactured in Japan gives you some confidence regarding the quality control. When you slide this filter out of the box, you can feel that it is substantial, not flimsy, and it fits snugly into the chassis of the AD3000 or AD3500 without any wobbling or gaps. Then there is the carbon VOC filter. This is the component responsible for the heavy lifting when it comes to odors and gases. It uses a mix of activated carbon and potassium permanganate to actually neutralize chemicals like formaldehyde and other household fumes, rather than just masking them with a scent. If you have ever had a lingering cooking smell, a faint chemical odor from new furniture, or the persistent stale air that comes with living in a home with pets, this is the layer doing the work. You replace these every 6 months, which is why the pack includes 2 of them. It is a good cadence because carbon filters do have a finite capacity to absorb gases, and once they are saturated, they simply stop doing their job even if they look clean on the surface. The installation process is incredibly simple. You pop the back cover off, pull out the old units, and slide the new ones into the grooves. You have to make sure you remove all the plastic packaging from the new filters before you put them in, which is a classic mistake people make when they are in a hurry. Once everything is seated correctly, you replace the back panel, turn the power on, and press the reset sequence. For these models, you hold down the auto and dim buttons until the filter change light turns off. It is a 5-minute process at most. If you have been ignoring the light for a while, you might notice an immediate difference in the airflow and a decrease in the noise level because the motor does not have to work nearly as hard to pull air through a fresh, clean medium. There are definitely some criticisms to consider. First, the cost of these replacement packs is not trivial. You are essentially committing to a recurring expense for the life of the machine, which is a factor people often overlook when they initially buy the purifier. It is a premium system, and the replacement parts reflect that. Furthermore, the air purifier itself is a fairly large unit, and while the filters are designed to be easy to swap, they still produce a fair amount of waste. You are left with a decent-sized pile of used filter material every time you do a full change, and unfortunately, most of this cannot be recycled, which is a downside if you are someone who is very conscious about your waste footprint. There is also the performance expectation. Some users expect these filters to turn a room into a sterile laboratory environment instantly, but that is not realistic. These filters work best when the air has a chance to circulate through the machine repeatedly. If you have a room with poor airflow, or if you are running the purifier on a very low, quiet setting all the time, you will not see the results you want. You really need to run the unit on a higher setting for a few hours to establish a baseline of clean air before dropping it down to a whisper-quiet level. If you expect the air to be clean just by running it on the lowest speed in a giant room, you'll be disappointed, but that is a limitation of the machine's CFM rating, not the filters themselves. As for the target buyer, this pack is meant for the owner who wants to maintain the performance they experienced when the unit was brand new. If you have allergies, asthma, or you are particularly sensitive to smoke or chemical smells, the investment in these genuine filters pays off in the way you feel at home. It is a relief to know that the air you are breathing has been processed by a high-grade, sealed system that is actually doing what it claims to do. I know that recurring costs are annoying, but when you weigh the benefit of cleaner air against the annual price of the filters, it usually makes sense for most people, especially those who deal with pets, allergies, or local air quality issues like seasonal wildfires or heavy dust. You are paying for peace of mind, And that is something that is hard to put a price on, especially when you are doing your best to make your home a healthier place to be. If you have the machine, you are already committed to the maintenance, so make sure you are doing it with the parts that keep it running correctly. Taking care of your pre-filters with a monthly vacuuming will honestly make a bigger difference in your day-to-day experience than almost any other maintenance step, so definitely pair that habit with these high-quality replacements.